Are you sticking your tongue out? You stinker. You see yourself and you guys stick out your tongue. All right, we're gonna check out the garden today. My husband did the garden this year. That's why I haven't done any videos or updates or talked about it at all. It's been all on him because I have been busy with other projects. So I'm gonna show you what we got. You silly goof. And it's not a huge garden this year. It was pretty minimal. But today is Saturday, our yard work day. So we are out working. The kids are weeding in the garden, and Autumn's gonna mow the lawn here in a little bit. And so we'll show you what's going on.
Yeah.
What do you have, Renee?
Lightsabers.
Lightsabers.
Da, 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 da.
Where you going, man? Going to the garden to check it out? All right, here's what it looks like. My husband got berries planted, some raspberries and blackberries all along the back here. And we've gotten a few this year, but hopefully it will increase every year. Our melons didn't work out too well. I think we just didn't water enough. And so they started, but they didn't turn into anything. We got a whole bunch of cucumbers over here, some lemon cucumbers and some green ones and some other yellow ones that weren't lemon cucumbers. Those were good, but they're pretty much done now. We have this other squash, and it's about time to pick this. You're supposed to wait until the stem is turned brown, as far as I remember, and it's not quite brown yet, but it should be getting pretty close. We got a couple giant tomato plants that we're just now getting lots and lots of tomatoes off of. Talia is going to pick them here in a minute, but they are really pretty. There's this bush over here that's red tomatoes, and then this one is yellow tomatoes, and they're pretty amazing. There's some of the yellow ones. What kind of treasure did you find? That looks like a piece of plastic. Yep. And then over here is all strawberries that my husband planted. Some of the bushes didn't make it, but a lot of them are doing well, and we're actually getting a lot of strawberries right now, which is pretty late in the season, so they must be a later bearing variety.
Today I picked some.
You picked some strawberries?
Before I started weeding, I picked a bunch of strawberries.
Nice.
And I ate them.
And you're going to pick the tomatoes now?
Which one is yellow tomatoes? This one or this one?
This one's yellow tomatoes. It's the one that fell over. It got so big and heavy that it took the tomato cage with it, and it's just fallen over. And we're not going to mess with it. We're just going to let it be where it's at.
And down here there are thousands of yellow tomatoes.
Oh, let's see.
Green and yellow.
Yeah, there's tons of green ones on there still. Hopefully we'll get enough warm weather to get them all ripened. Oh yeah, look at that. Lots of yellow and lots of red over there. We got to do something with these. What are we going to do with all these tomatoes?
Sauce.
Tomato sauce would be good. We could make it in the Instant Pot.
Instant Pot tomato sauce. Nope. Well, that's a weird one. Lots of them. Some have fallen from the fall.
What?
Like tomatoes have fallen off and they're getting eaten.
Oh, by the bugs?
Yeah.
Yeah, that happens. All right, go get these in the bowl. All right, Renee, you want to go with me over to the grapes to show the grapes?
Oh, if you go on like all the way this side, there's just a donut.
Levi, I don't want to leave you in here or else you'll find a thistle. I don't want you to find a thistle. You need to come with us. Poe has a feud with the neighbor dog. He always goes over to that corner and they bark at each other. It's quite hilarious. These are our blueberry plants, and the plants have grown quite a bit in the last year or so, but we get so few berries off of there. It's so disappointing. We're hoping that they'll work through their issues and we'll get some more fruit on them next year. My husband did some work with the soil and added some stuff, so hopefully next year we'll get a better crop. But the bushes themselves look really big and seem like they're doing pretty well. All right, this is our huge crop for the year, and that is our grapes. And the last several years we've gotten a ton. They make really good raisins. They're also really good for eating fresh, and there are tons and tons. We've been eating them for the last week or so, but we need to go in and just pick all of them and do a huge batch of raisins or something. You found one?
Yeah, that was Wayne in
All
the
right.
glass.
That's what they look like. They're little tiny green ones, and they're a little bit tart, but they're really, really tasty.
I'll go down under this.
Levi loves them.
Mom.
Okay, let's go up. Let's go under here and see what we see.
Here, I can hold
Oh, I can.
I'll just sit here.
Yep. Look at me through the bushes.
And I saw the giant vine
So you can see there's just grapes upon grapes in here, just hidden. Kind of have to weave through, and we have trimmed these bushes back all season long, and they just are out of control. So these bushes are just doing really, really well.
These grapes are delicious.
Yes?
Can I try juicing some grapes?
No, these grapes are not great for juicing. They're great for raisins and for eating, and they're good for freezing and eating frozen like little tiny popsicles. All right, let's see.
That's where I was sitting.
Oh, yeah.
This is where
Oh, there goes Poe again with the neighbor dog. So there's...
Can I please see? Or can I just sit here?
Oh, yeah, and you can just pick grapes.
This is my snack room. Can I get
Your snack room?
Can I get some grapes?
Yeah, come on in, Cherry.
I saw a really weird leaf, Mom.
A really weird leaf?
It had bumps on it. Be careful, there's grapes and grapes. These blueberries have none.
Yeah. They had a few, but they're done.
Yeah.
Did you want some grapes, Levi man?
Season.
Did you want some grapes?
Here, can I get one?
Sure.
Here, Levi. Want a grape?
Oh, did you drop it? Uh-oh.
Come look at this leaf. Talia, look at this leaf. Can I show you the leaf, Mom?
Levi loves them. Okay, come, let me see the leaf.
I'll get some scissors.
Oh, yeah, that one got damaged or something. That's funny looking, huh?
Mhm. Why are these?
I don't know what I don't know what it's from. I wonder if anyone watching knows. If you know, let us know. Looks very interesting. You found a grape that's perfectly fine? Oh, nice.
Do you have the scissors?
You gonna put those in? Talia's getting the scissors.
Talia, I need scissors.
All right, let's see.
I got scissors.
Here, Renee, can you put these in the bucket?
So delicious.
So delicious.
I'm so happy we got so delicious stuff in our garden and these grapes.
I know, me too. Isn't it fun that we can go outside and just eat stuff out of our yard?
Yeah.
It's just craziness. Who would have thunk?
We're also able to go in the glass and go inside here and pick some of these.
I know. Here's another one for the bowl.
Right there. Ew. Delicious. And we can I just have my snack room. So
What are you doing, Paul?
Neat.
I know. I need to just send you guys outside for snack time.
Yeah.
That would be amazing.
Snack. Kelly, I got another one. Oh my goodness. There are too many.
I know, there really are.
Sure. Here, you want to trade spots and sit there? Okay. Don't want to break that wire that goes. Wire? Actually, that's perfectly fine. Don't snip it. Don't snip it.
Here you go, Renee.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, it's hanging over.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
What do you have, man?
Way more comfortable spot. More coming.
What you doing out there, man? You picking some grape leaves? You gonna make some dolmas for us?
So many grapes.
Gonna make some dolmas?
One grape is connected to the
What is it?
ground.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Uh-oh.
One.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, thank you very much.
Give one to Levi. Do you want to take a picture of this?
Sure.
Smile. I'm standing up right here.
Smile. You're crazy.
Keep going. Stop. Yeah. I'm just gonna eat this because these grapes are so delicious.
Okay.
I'm just gonna eat it.
Okay, sounds great.
Ones that's like this.
Mm.
They used to
Yeah, pick the biggest ones. The biggest ones are the ripest ones, usually. Here you go, Renee.
Oh my.
Oh, there's a spider web right here.
Where's the bowl? Oh, here.
Our bowl's getting full already. You don't want to pick too many, because we got to do something with them as soon as we pick them.
No.
Po?
No.
Po, you stop eating grapes.
All these grapes are.
So I know that people say that grapes and raisins are not good for dogs, but there's no way we could stop Po from eating the grapes at this point.
Yeah.
And he has never shown any issue with eating grapes by the bucket load. So we're not worried about that. So I don't need anybody commenting to inform me that grapes are not good for dogs, because apparently
Renee, can you move
Po
the
is
bowl?
immune.
Renee, can
Oh
you-
yeah, what a good boy. Look at all those grapes.
Full of grapes.
Oh my
Try one, they're good.
goodness.
Ah, ah.
It flew. Oh,
They're so good.
Yeah. How many years have these grapes been here?
Like 9.
Mm.
But they've only been bearing fruit for like 4 or 5. And now they bear all the fruit.
Look at these.
You found some more?
Yeah.
Nice.
Do you want to take a picture of them?
Well, I'm already taking a video of them.
Trillion grapes a year.
I love it. No, you scoot it back like this. That's good. Levi, did you find some? What are you eating now? Oh, you found the scissors. That's not for you. Stinker. You want a grape instead?
Oh my
I'll trade
goodness.
Grape for scissors.
Oh my goodness, look at him.
Mom,
I see him.
these grapes are great.
Mom,
You're a goof.
I gave one to Levi.
Why are the grapes so great? Because they're great.
Because they're grape? Terrible joke.
We already knew that joke.
You taking care of your baby.
I got it.
Yeah.
I got a different one.
Because
the
they're
grapes
really
so good
nice
at hide and
to
seek?
you.
Because they're great.
Levi.
They're
Yeah, they're so hungry right now. Every day he does so.
Do you have a ball? He's talking about his ball. Look at that ball. Look at that ball.
Look at that bow.
We show
Yay.
grapes on her. Let's do a feast. Every single dish has grapes in it.
That would be fun.
So just like, pass me the grapes, please. Pass me the pepper grapes, please.
What kind of dishes would you make with just grapes? You can make grape jelly. You could make like chicken cooked with grape sauce. You could make fruit salad with grapes. What else?
Can we make raisins?
You can make raisins, and then you could put raisins in all kinds of stuff. Like
Granola.
granola,
Granola that.
or
Grapes already picked.
yeah, or you can make like raisin muffins,
Or just eat grapes.
and then just plain grapes too. Frozen grapes. All right, that's our 2019 garden. I hope you enjoyed getting the quick tour. Maybe next year I will be able to do a little more as far as gardening. What is the matter, man? And do more gardening videos. I did those a couple years ago. Last year I was busy having a newborn baby at gardening time, and so I didn't get a garden in. And then this year my husband did it, but maybe next year I'll find the time to do a little more gardening. So we'll see. All right, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Don't forget the smallest grape, Cal.